Right now in the business world, AI is, well, it's everywhere, isn't it? It feels like every single conversation, every strategy meeting, it's all about how to tap into this incredible technology.
But when we all talk about AI, what do we really mean? Is it just a clever chatbot? A tool that can help you write an email. The reality, as you're about to see, is so much bigger than that.
To really get what's possible here, you got to shift your thinking. We're moving away from just standalone products and into a whole integrated platform. And that's the Google AI ecosystem. It's not just one tool, but a complete interconnected system built around the incredible Gemini family of models, where every single part makes the others smarter.
So what in the world is an AI ecosystem? Think of it less like a single musician and more like an entire symphony orchestra. It's a complete architecture where custom hardware, breakthrough research, powerful models, and the apps you use every day are all designed to work in perfect harmony, creating something way more powerful than any single part ever could on its own.
Okay, so how does this whole architecture get built? Well, the strategy really comes down to three huge interconnected pillars.
First up, we've got multimodality. Now, what's that? It's basically the AI's ability to understand text, images, video, and audio all at the same time, just like we do. You could point your camera at a building, ask, hey, what's the story here, and get a spoken answer right back. That's the kind of natural interaction we're talking about.
Pillar number 2, the platform is becoming agentic. And this is a massive shift. We're talking about moving beyond AI that just helps you with one little thing. This is an AI that can understand a big goal, like, hey, organize a whole marketing campaign for our new product, and then actually execute the complex plan to make it happen.
And Pillar 3 is all about stack optimization. Basically, from the custom chips on the ground floor, like the tensor processing units, or TPUs, all the way up to the final answer you get. The entire system is engineered for peak performance. And for you, that just means faster answers, more powerful tools, and honestly, better value.
So you've got these three pillars, right? But here's the thing. They don't just stand there on their own. They work together to create something truly powerful, a cycle of continuous and even accelerating improvement. This is what we call the AI flywheel effect, and it's awesome. Here's how it works. You've got groundbreaking research that leads to better, smarter models. Those models, they run best on custom hardware, which then powers these amazing applications we all use. And here's the kicker. The insights from how we use those apps feed right back into new research, making the whole cycle spin faster and smarter with every single turn.
So, what's the big takeaway here? This isn't just about a list of cool new AI features. No way. This is a deeply integrated platform built from the ground up, and it is ready to completely transform how your business gets things done.
All right, so that's the ecosystem, the big picture. Pretty cool, right? So, are you ready to meet the actual engine driving this whole thing?
Because in our next explainer, that's exactly what we're going to do. We're diving deep into the core of this ecosystem, the Gemini family of models. You are not going to want to miss it. We'll see you then.